Okay, update on the dahlias. Look at how much they're growing. Like that one is ready to be snapped off, dipped in some rooting hormone, and potted up. Which I'll take a video of that. But like, look at them. They're growing so fast. And it's only been like 2 to 3 weeks for some of these. So all those over there, that one, that little guy, that one. Once they get like 2 to 3 inches, they're ready to be potted up. So I'll show you how to do. Okay, so all we're gonna do to take a little cutting from this is we're gonna just snap it off right at the base of the tuber. So watch. Ooh, and look at that, we got some roots already with it. That's perfect, 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 perfect. I probably could have took this a few days ago. It's kind of big, but some people also use like a little scalpel to cut it at the base. But I'm gonna use that to take the leaves off. So we'll just do that. And you wanna wait till they have like 3 sets of leaves. So 1, 2, 3. In that first set, you're not really supposed to count, but 2 to 3 is good. Or once it's 3 to 4 inches, and this is definitely there. So let's dip it in some rooting hormone and pot it up. Okay, so for this one, since it's pretty big, I'm gonna pot it up right in this pot. But normally I put them in this little grow dome to like maintain humidity. But this one's like already got some good roots on it. So I'm gonna just pot it right up in here. And this is the rooting hormone we use. Hormodin 3. It's on my Amazon storefront. So just do a little dip. And then pop her in there. And then I'm gonna just spray a little bit. And then we're good to go. Let me show you a more typical example of like a smaller one, because then this is what I normally do. So same kind of thing, but this one's a little bit smaller. So we'll just snap it off right at the base. Ooh, that one I didn't get perfectly, but it still should be good. So we'll dip this in some rooting hormone. Well, first we'll take off these lower leaves. And not all of them are gonna root, but a decent amount should. And then I'll just pop them right in this little humidity dome. And I take this little dry erase marker that I was just using, just to make a little hole in the dirt, and then pop it in. And then always make sure to label them so you know which one it came from. So I'll just take a little label here. And then pop it in. And it should grow and form roots in a week or so. So stay tuned for more updates. Very easy process.